Start with number 5. It's the Beretta 92 series. The iconic open slide design make this pistol a Hollywood favorite. The famous movie franchise like Die Hard and Lethal Weapon use this pistol. It is very long slide, 5-inch. And because of the open slide design, make it somewhat unique to shoot, and the sound also different. It is beautiful to sight and very comfortable to shoot. As you can tell, the ball of access is relatively low, not as low as CZ, but definitely you can tell it's lower than, say, Sig Sauer. It has been serving in the army for a long time. So somewhat make the parts and the popularity widespread across the world. Now Beretta has come up with many modern iterations. Improvement include the rail here, better trigger, and they also make it smaller carry size that many famous handgunners swear their life to it. So this is definitely deserve a number 5 place in my ranking of all-time best pistols, metal pistols, if not higher. The next one in the ranking, number 4, the CZ75 series. This all-metal pistol is also iconic, most notably for its accuracy. Boy, this pistol is very heavy. It is all steel, very heavy. Because of its heft and the super low bore access and full metal rail make it very accurate. I love the single action pistol. I always feel it's more accurate. And result prove it, Now this pistol, still widely used, if not the most used competition pistol. Right? Because if you combine the heftiness and the accuracy, make it a very suitable shooting platform, You might get fatigued because of the weight of it. And same here, CZ has a lot of better iterations, better version of this CZ75 series. A solid number 4 in my book. Okay, now we are talking about the top 3, okay? Number 3, Sig Sauer P226. It's also iconic. Sig Sauer hit a home run on this one. It is very comfortable, very practical, and reliable, that many LEMs still swear their life to it, even to this day. That's not a small feat, because this is a old man, okay? This pistol has been out there for many decades. But, you know, I love this decock design. Everything is within your control, right? Of your thumb. You don't have to change your shooting position at all, right? Release the slide, decock it, put it into the holster, you know. The palm melt into your hand. I mean, the grip melt into the palm. The first shot, very easy, you know, very easy, very comfortable. You can shoot this pistol very accurately with your first shot. And that's why a lot of LEM love it, you know. If you pay attention, every time you see law enforcement, if they are not carry Glocks, most likely they are carry 6R P226, okay? So a solid number 3, a collection piece. Okay, the number 2, somewhat unique. It's the HKP7. Most people don't realize this is a all metal pistol. Look at that. It's all metal pistol, right? It's not as heavy as says CZ, but it's also bigger, right? Bigger than say Glock 19. What I love about this pistol is it is so well designed that it's cost prohibitive for HK to produce it in today's cost environment. Definitely a collection piece. I always like to proclaim that if 007, this is the pistol 007 should have carried, okay, not the water PPK. That pistol is pathetic. But this is a strong, good, popular 9mm pistol, all right? And the unique cock to shoot it feature, you know, is iconic and unique design. The shortcoming is, of course, its availability, right? This pistol is very rarely come by because it's very expensive. So the collector who own it, they just don't release them unless pass on to the next generation who is not into pistol collection or not into guns, you know. But this is a museum piece, okay? This is a museum piece, a library piece in terms of the collection value. Weird to look at it, but you get used to it. And trust me, if you have a chance to get your hands on it and shoot it, you will realize why people love it. It's very accurate, very accurate. Because after you cock this thing, it's like a single action, all right? I consider myself very lucky to have this because the friend who transferred this to me, he has 2 pieces. So I got the more weird piece. But this pistol wear a lot, okay? You can see the holster wear, but not shoot a lot. Beautiful, beautiful. Deserve a number 2. Now comes my favorite, the lucky number 1. All metal 1911, modern 1911, okay? Not the old 1911, not the old Army 1911. That pistol is difficult to shoot, hurt your hand, the recoil so much. But the modern 1911, designed by American, made in America, this is, in my book, the number 1 all metal pistol in the world. Lucky we have it. Why? Because it's still in production and you can get your hands to it. If not a custom one, a production one is also very good, like a Colt 1911. You know, it's a shootable, good collection piece too. But these modern 1911s, super accurate, absolutely reliable, very tight. Beautiful to look at, great aesthetics, even after hundreds of years. It only gets better looks, right? Because of the modern twist. Some have a shorter barrel, you know, some have a 9mm, different variations. I still love the old 45 Fat Boy ACP, all right? Maybe I will get a 10mm in the future because I think 10mm deserve a great platform like a 1911 all metal platform, all right? But these modern 1911s are great. I mean, they are just great. They are the epiphany of all metal design. They are still the best. Still the best. If a pistol is reliable and you can shoot them accurately, comfortable to carry and shoot because of the thinness of it, you know, the only thing I would say is the capacity, you know. But you can put a Wilson Compact 10 round magazine to it. And don't forget, 45 ACP has more stopping power than 9mm. So they compensate the shortcoming of the capacity a little bit. What do you think? Would you consider something else in the top 5 other than the 5 I mentioned here? Please comment, like or dislike. But more importantly, please subscribe and share this video. They help me out a lot. Thank you so much. And I promise I'll see you soon in the next video. Love you all.